Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about for each loop. For each loop. This loop is used to iterate over arrays. For every counter of loop, an array element is assigned and the next counter is shifted to the next element. Create a new file foreach.php. First, create an array subjects, maths, physics, and chemistry. Let's print the first subject, echo subjects, and 0, the first element, and here's the result. Let's use for each subjects as subject, and let's print this. Subject, and here is the result: math, physics, and chemistry. Let's take another example. Let's assign few marks according to the subjects. So 40, 42, and 45, and let's assign a variable I is equals to 0 for and the counter I++, and let's print the subjects marks after the subject name. So the marks $I, and here is the result. So the maths, physics, and chemistry. And if we want the total of these marks, so the total marks 0, and here we will use total marks is equals to total marks plus this marks break, then total marks, and then total marks. So the total marks are 127. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.